How's it going, y'all? Welcome to another opening. The packs. This time we got Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield. They have nice designs. Snorlax. Look like a Snorlax and his feet and his belly. Oh, he's the globe on this one. Like a ship. Lapras. A dog. Wolf. Whichever. Let's open these up. Let's go with Lapras. Let's pull a Lapras. Let's open this one up. Oh. They get harder and harder to get out the car, don't they? Let's see what we got. We got Lapras as the front cover. Oh. You think we can pull all three of these as the front cover? Also as a pack? Let's see. Let's just get up in here. Yeah. Remember to save these. They go towards the game and the internet. You can learn how to play and all that. The code's in the back. I've seen people keep these. They have a lot of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see. We got fire. We got this water Pokemon trainer. And we got this other Pokemon. Let's see, let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Diglett. Okay, there we go. We got a Raichu. That's right. And we got something in the back looking like it's gonna be something nice too. Oh. I don't know what this one is, but it looks nice. I'm about to get a better camera, y'all, cause this. See, hopefully I get something valuable that's actually worth money. We're talking about it in the 150, 250, and put it straight into a container or plastic so it won't get damaged and hopefully get graded. It ain't coming up. All right, put this to the side. We'll figure out how to pick it up later. Can we get a pack Snorlax? Let's get a pack Snorlax. Let's get a pack. Open it from the bottom is much easier. I don't have to bend it or it opens up. So, let's see what we got. Oh, we got a pack Snorlax? What? Nah, let me see something. Let this one be but ain't nothing rare about that, but it's just saying that they packed them. Yeah. Huh. I got all three. Cool. Alright, let's see what we got. Open it up. Push this up. Pull it down and bam. 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 What we got going on here? I'm trying to save the packs, but looking like it's just I'm gonna tear them up to get in there. Oh, snap. Tripping. Save these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Water. Come on. Gengar or a Mew. Let's get a Mew. Yeah, Mew. Why not? Come on. Why should just go for the back, huh? Now let's. It's a worm with a helmet. What is this? Krabby. Oh look. It's a Pokey Kid. I ain't never seen this one. Look at the back. What the back looking like? Oh, what is this? What is this? What is it? I think nowadays they actually give you, there you go right there. It's the evolved form of this, I believe. It's a snake. Cool. Stage 1. Cool. I got one more pack. Let's see what I get. Let me put this to the side somewhere. Put this to the side. Oh, you already opened up. Sometimes I just want to keep them and not open them up. Man, I swear. I wonder when they're going to stop making them. When you stop making them, the value goes up. What is this international company? What is this? Wyoming, 3rd floor building. Huh. Exactly. Well, that's enough. Oh, they got one in the United States. They got one in United Kingdom, Ireland. It says return these addresses. Retain these addresses for your record. Wonder why. I wonder if you can send something to these addresses and ask for a certain card. Will they give that to you? Huh. I have to try that out. Instead of buying packs, I'll just ask for what I want. Never know. Never know until you ask. It's not coming out. There you go. Look, a rat. Nice. A cat. We ain't gonna get nothing good. Remember this one. Watch this. Nothing good, bitch. Hitmonchan. I'm trying. Hitmonchan, then weird. T-King. There he goes again. Rhino. Come on, something. Whatever this is. What's back there? Oh, I can't even see it. I'm over here tripping. My bad. I don't know. Did y'all see all these cards? It's nothing good. But it's the mystery of opening this one. I'll take this one over this one. This one right here is what? A diamond? Man, Hitmonchan was also a rare to catch. Like, they got some shiny now. His HP has gone up tremendously. I think it was at 70, I believe. Well, I don't remember. 120. So we pulled this one. I'm going to have to check the value on this one. What is he too? He's a basic too. A basic V. Must be nice. I'm going to have to holler at my some of my other people, my other friends that also are interested in Pokemon to let me know where this one fall in the category. Looks nice though. It's a little bit bent. But it's still perfectly out of it. But this one, see, I'm more happy that I got this one. Cause this is a riot shooting. It's a star too. This one should have came with this pack. I would have been more pleased. All right, y'all. That's another video.